you're experiencing crashes while playing Rocket League, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate crashes. Step 1. Update your game. Make sure that Rocket League is updated to the latest version. Developers frequently release patches that fix bugs and improve stability. Check for updates through your gaming platform and install any available updates. Step 2. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam or another platform, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for missing or corrupted files and replaces them, which can help resolve crashing issues. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause performance issues and crashes. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your hardware. Install them and restart your computer. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings. Lowering the graphics settings in Rocket League can help improve performance and reduce crashes. Go to the Settings menu, lower the resolution, and turn off any advanced graphics options. Test the game to see if the crashes persist. Step 5. Check for background applications. Some background applications can interfere with Rocket League, causing it to crash. Close unnecessary programs running on your computer, especially those that use a lot of resources, and try launching the game again. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate the crashing issues in Rocket League. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.